Got a new phone and dreading the hassle of transferring your Hsbc app? Don't worry, this quick guide will walk you through it. First things first, open the Hsbc mobile banking app on your old phone. This is crucial, so make sure it's the one you're ditching. Once you're in, navigate to the security section within the app. Usually found in the menu or settings, it might be under Manage Security or something similar. Now, look for Mobile Security Key. It's the key to transferring your app. Select this option. On the next screen, you will see Deactivate Mobile Security Key and then tap on it. You'll be asked to confirm. Go ahead and confirm the deactivation. Great, now, grab your shiny new phone and download the Hsbc mobile banking app from your app store. Open the app on your new phone and look for Activate Mobile Security Key. You'll usually find this on the login screen or a setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will typically involve entering your Hsbc login details, like your username, password, and sometimes answering a security question. Set up your new mobile security key by following the prompt. And that's it. Your Hsbc app is now successfully transferred to your new phone. Easy peasy.